So I got this beautiful 2017 Toyota Tacoma. It's a 4x2 with 68,000 miles on it. Just got at the auction, but I'm gonna upgrade the front end to a TRD hood because of the accident. I'm gonna put TRD hood, a grill, and change the whole fender, bumper, everything. This was a salvage title. It was hit in the front since the damage was the hood. More cosmetic. And the radio support here. I took some of this off, the spot wheels. I'll take these off. Put a new radiator. Change the fan clutch, which I had it in my yard, which is good. These are your sensors, your impact sensors. One of them is broken, so I gotta rewire that. It's like this one. Yeah, I'm just gonna get it running, and then I'll give it to my body guy to do the paint job and straighten out this frame or put a new reinforcement. There's the old hood. That's the regular one, and here's the TRD hood that's inside this car. There's the hood. I got a bunch of new parts there for it. Fenders, bumper there. I bought that piece. Good thing I had that one too at my shop. And yeah, it's a beautiful running, nice drive. Got it IAA. Everything else is fine. But here's that piece. It goes onto the hood. It goes into the hood. Yeah, I'll get it done and bring it back and we'll film it again. And there's a radio support, a condenser. I'm gonna put like a nice lights on top, fix it up. So yeah, just the seals, that's not what you want. If you're looking for at the auction, make sure, especially right here at the end, make sure these are all nice and straight. That's what you're looking for. It's good to get hit from the top because these frame right here, they're straight. See, nothing wrong with this bumper reinforcement, so it's nice and perfect. I just had a little fan clutch issue which I replaced. Here's a little curve right here. I gotta get this thing done also. That's why I don't wanna pull this whole radio support out and then my body guy. It's good to have it the way it is right now. So he'll know what's going on. Because if I do it and pull it out and give it to him, he's gonna be like, well, he won't know how the damage was. He'll probably charge me more. So sometimes you feel like you're doing all this and then you give it to your body guy. I could take all that out. Like I said, spots will here. These all come off, but and I use this drill right here. It's got a spot wheel. They sell them at Kragen. They're perfect, actually. I wanted to do it here, but I couldn't. Sometimes you just can't do things in your garage afterwards. It's really nice. I think he told me 1200, so 1200 is not bad. I'm gonna do the raise support since he says he's gonna do it. That's why I don't want to stop doing this. Since he's gonna do it with the paint job, change the whole front end, do the back bumper. It's not bad, 1200. Flip one of these babies. This is like my, I don't know, 50th car that was spilled. Flipped. Yeah, I'm just doing guerrilla shooting right now because I don't have time to edit. So we do some edit. So just don't mind my filming for now. It'll get better as I get. Yeah, so gotta tackle all that down. Just racking it straight, which is good. Yeah, the engine was hit up to here, and it did bend this. Yeah, so this was it's not damaged, but internally it's not turning. Shop. And Tika Auto Dismantlers, in case you want to look into it, that too. Auto Dismantler, man. Antigua all to the smellers. Anyway, I'll be back. I got the vent. I'm gonna put this later, install it myself. Had them painted. That's ready to go. Got a bunch of stuff I gotta put together. Still got the grill in here. Top of the refrigerator. I wanted to scratch, so I want to do that myself. What else? Yeah, looks good. Radiator's back. AC condenser. It's got a little leak here. I think it's from the radiator. Gotta fix that. There, that's the mount. It's been put back in. It was bent. Now it's straight. Everything's welded. Back frame. Yeah, the spot was right here. It's been welded. So, car's running. Gotta get the grill out. They left it inside. Oh yeah, here's the flare. There's the inside. That's the flare. Put that on. I like to do that myself because I just don't trust the body jobs.
That's not going to be a long work.
Nope. You can help me. Got my little helper there. Yeah? Okay. Okay, so we're gonna put that here too. There's the grill. It's been painted. Just gotta put a chrome piece over it. Oh, and this is the front nose. Let's see if I can put that back. Yeah, I like to do some of this myself. Paint matches. Looks nice. I also fixed the rear bumper. Put it back on the frame. Now I just gotta put this chrome piece back and put some new tires and take it for a spin. Looking good, looking good. We got new tires for it. Gotta finish the cup. So this is it. From the side. Yeah. So thank you for watching my channel. Hit the thumbs up, subscribe.